I have a ton of mortgage brokers that come over to Easton University, and I don't want to be negative because some of them are on this call, but they are having a tough time. But what I say is, listen, that's good. What? That's good? Yeah, absolutely. Because if you don't have a sales process and it's a tough market, you don't have deals coming in, just gimmies that are handed to you. But if you're in the mortgage industry and you're positive and you're forthright and you're creative and you can find options for people, maybe like bank statement loans or buying the rates down with certain points, and you are a bright light and you're not a depressing bummer when they talk to you, there's more business than you could ever write. Why? People haven't figured out how to download themselves onto a hard drive. And although a lot of people are camping out on their 3% mortgage, they're getting sick of that place. They're getting sick of their neighbor. They're getting sick of the trash truck coming through their alley every day. Or they're getting moved, they're getting married, and they're having a kid, right? So if you can simply change your sales process, you're good. I want to talk to them about things that are positive. And when they go through our coaching, I want them to talk to the real estate brokers that they work with, the homeowners that they work with, the home sellers, the home buyers that they're working with in a positive problem-solving light.